In a world where plans don't matter, hikes turn into hunts, one clueless traveler gets adopted by a nomad and learns he's totally useless at hunting. This is the story of Adrian Schnell, the last one of its kind, the only fun German to exist.
Alright everybody, welcome to another episode of beautiful Mongolia travels. I just took a hitchhike from one city back there somewhere to the other city back there somewhere, and I just got off the car when I thought it was kind of beautiful. We are loaded with a lot of luggage. Well, it's alright, it's not for hiking, definitely not, but for traveling, like hitchhiking, and I have a bit of water on me, and we are now trying to use the hospitality a little bit. I feel a little bit bad about it, but it's gonna be fine. And we have a tent, and there are gears where people live, and we will just see what happens if I walk by. And if nothing happens, I will just go camp in the steppe. So, steppe, in the steppe. Steppe, I don't know how to pronounce it. Hello! And there are some nice people. Huh? Huh? Get him on! Yes? Tell? Get it! Oh! Wow, see? It works like a charm. Works like a charm. Whoa. Sembano. Okay, we're gonna sit down here.
차.
차! 몽골 차.
차 전국?
오. 빠이샤. I'm there. We're also having some bread with butter here. And some dried yogurt or cheese, that is. I'm pretty surprised myself that it worked so well. And Mongol Tsa. And this is the family.
Where are you going?
Oh, I'm going here, in this direction. And there I have like a tent, you know, I have a tent, so I will and then sleep in the tent. Yeah, camping. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, but it's very beautiful. Oh, Tsa. Mongolce. So he just gave me the Google translation that they make tea for the visitor. It's very nice of them. Your bike? Your? Yeah, your? Oh, nice. Yeah, I will go there because I have a tent and mattress. Yes. Huh? Here they're drying the cheese. Cheese? Oh. Like for example me, I'm 1. Uh-huh. And you? No, really? Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay, nice. Another 21 years old.
몽골차?
몽골제.
가동?
가도?
가동.
Hamster.
Du在.
Oh, Baisha.
Ja.
So now they invited me for dinner, for eating. I'm very happy about it. Yeah, actually I didn't want to be a burden. I didn't expect that, so I hope that they're gonna eat with me. Oh. And that's goat meat. If I sheep? Goat. I think it's goat meat. And jerky. It's very delicious. Here's the meal. Freshly from the traditional Mongolian oven or furnace or whatever that is in English. Well, yes. Okay, we're gonna get the cow now. The cow. And as a shortcut for having to get my jacket out of the backpack by I got the Mongolian. Oh, what? Mongolian? Dil. Huh? Right. We're on the way to get the cattle. So what they're doing is they're excluding the babies from the grown animals. I think they do that to milk them. Let's see how that goes exactly. This animal is injured, so they're gonna give it the medicine. That's crazy to be honest. Okay, so we're getting set up for the night now.
Good morning from the tent, everybody. We're going hunting now.
Okay, we parked the bike, the sun's here, and we're on the watch now. I don't exactly know what we're hunting, but that's because I didn't study English animal names. What's a marmot? We got the bullet, we got the stone. Oh, we need the animal. another spot. I'm hiding behind the stone. Stone! Okay guys, he just fired a shot, so let's see if we got something or not. I fell asleep. Shit. Sadly, no success, but you can't win every day.
Su?
Böyle.
Su işte ter bir şey. Akıyor mi?
Okay. Başla. Oh! I didn't know you were here. Bye bye my friend. Başla.
Vay bro.
Bye bro. Başla. We text, we chat. Facebook. Alright. Some people complained that I don't do endings in my videos. This dog was barking all night at my tent. Oh my god. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Sen Beno. I'm Ste. Okay, he apparently doesn't want to be disturbed. He's mewing. I hope this is a proper ending for the people complaining about me not having endings. I will take you to the street and then I will let you guys go. Okay everybody, we're at the so-called street and let's just hope that the car is coming. We'll wait here and see what happens.